How to turn off audio call recording on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable automatic call recording so your calls stop being saved. First, open the phone app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right to open the menu. After that, tap Settings. At this point, look for Call Recording within the phone settings and tap on it. Following this, you'll see a toggle for automatic call recording, along with any options for recording specific types of calls. From here, tap the toggle to turn automatic call recording off. Once disabled, your phone will no longer save recordings of incoming or outgoing calls unless you manually start one during a call. If you still see a recording prompt or banner during calls, check whether a separate third-party call recording app is installed, since those run independently from the built-in setting and need to be disabled or uninstalled on their own. That's how you turn off audio call recording on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.